Hey there gamers, and welcome back to another video. In this video today, I'm going to be talking to you about how you can get the plate boots of Cursed Soul in Crimson Desert. Now first things first, let me show you where I am on the map. So you've got the town of Herdnand here, you come all the way to the east here, and just here we've got the monastery, the St. Halius' House of Healing, which a lot of you may be familiar with. And from here basically you want to follow the river down to where you get to this fork in the river just here, just before it goes to the lower Nass River over here and out to sea. So I'm going to zoom right away out here on the map so you can get a good idea of where I am. Now what you want to do is come to this cliff edge just here, and when you come to this cliff edge you're going to see this waterfall, and what you want to do is just jump off, come down here, and then when you land here you're going to see this sort of stone statue thing just here. This is the example that you're on the right side. You don't want to be on that side, it needs to be on this side where the statue is. Go ahead and equip a weapon, go into your stab position, so on the keyboard it's shift right click, and then go through the water to penetrate it. Then when you come through the water you're going to be met with this stone slab here, and all you need to do is go ahead and force punch it and that will collapse it. And then from here all you then need to do is actually come into the cave to open up the treasure chest, and there we have it. We've now got the plate boots of the Cursed Soul. I'll just show you that in my inventory as well. Soul, they've got 16 attack, 5 defense, level 1 movement speed, and you can see that they've got 2 slots there as well. So I really hope that this tutorial helps, guys. Please drop a like and subscribe if it did. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.